In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Microsoft Teams meeting with audio. This is a valuable skill for keeping track of important discussions, ensuring you can review what was said or share with team members who couldn't attend. To get started, let's first look at how to join or begin your meeting in Microsoft Teams. You'll want to open your Microsoft Teams application. Make sure you're logged in and ready, and then either join an existing meeting or start a new one that you'd like to record. It's important to note that you need to be the organizer of the meeting or have the necessary recording permissions. Microsoft Teams might have restrictions set by your organization, allowing only admins or hosts to record, so ensure you have the appropriate access before proceeding. Once you're in the meeting, you're ready to begin recording. Locate the meeting toolbar, and there you'll find a button labeled More, represented by 3 dots or ellipses. Clicking this opens a menu where you will select Start Recording. This action triggers a notification to everyone in the meeting, letting them know that recording is underway. Teams does a great job of capturing both video and audio, including any content that's shared during the meeting. This ensures a comprehensive recording of the meeting. When your meeting is finished and it's time to stop the recording, you'll head back to the same More button on the meeting toolbar. Click on it, and this time select Stop Recording. Don't worry about the technical details from here, as the recording automatically saves and processes itself. Accessing your recording is straightforward. The location where it's saved depends on the type of meeting you held. If it was a channel meeting, the recording will be saved to SharePoint. Otherwise, if it was a private meeting or a chat, the recording is saved to the OneDrive of the meeting organizer. A convenient link to the recording will appear in the meeting chat or the channel conversation once the processing completes, making it easy to share or review at any time. And that's it, a simple process to ensure you capture those important moments in your meetings. Remember to always be mindful of privacy and inform all participants of the recording, maintaining transparency. So go ahead, try it out in your next Teams meeting and enjoy the benefits of having every detail captured for your future reference. Thank you for watching and happy